Para remembrance. Mommy used to cut my hair. Now I don't want him to cut my hair anymore. Okay. I don't like her cutting hair.
Baka i-cut mong hair ko at magiging ano na ako, bald.
Ayaw mo mag-bald.
Yeah.
Bald maka dati.
Gani, pag there's a lice there.
Wawa naman ang hair mo eh.
Wow, ikaw.
Ganyan daw. Okay na?
Yeah.
Yan, ganyan sa pag-i.
Wait lang, mama.
Gwapo naman ako.
Yeah.
Asan daw? Gwapo daw? Tingin daw, be. Tingin ka. Likod. Gwapo ng anak ko, oh. Okay.